Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO P101, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, you need to open two of your apps in the background. In order to do that, click on the first one, tap on Home button, click on the second one, and tap on the square button. Now tap on the icon of one of your apps and select split screen. Then tap on the other app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps to the side and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!